Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous lesson, Unit 6, I was taught you the poem Bitty at the Party. And I sent you the question and answers and textbook exercise also. I hope you all complete this all work because FA2 exam very soon. Today, I am going to teach you Unit 7, story name Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter in our Indian history. In your higher class, you can learn more about him. Today, I will shortly tell some story about Subhash Chandra Bose. The page number 48, children. Keep finger on line. There were many great heroes who lived at the time of the Indian freedom movement. They had only one goal, independence for India. Subhash Chandra Bose was one such hero. People used to call him Netaji, meaning revered leader. So, children, there are many heroes, means great personalities and freedom fighters in that Indian freedom movement to give the freedom from British to India. They had one goal, they have one aim, independence for India, how to give the freedom to India from British. The Subhash Chandra Bose was one of them. People called him Netaji, means revered leader, respected leader. Next stanza. He actively joined politics and formed a party called the Indian National Army in Japan. He actively, very active movement only. He joined that party, that name Indian National Army in Japan. In Japan, Indian National Army, one party was there. He joined actively there. It was Subhash Chandra Bose who first called Mahatma Gandhi the father of the nation. Subhash Chandra Bose only given the name to the Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Once a big rally was, sorry children, Bose believed that our attitude should be one of determination if we want to achieve our goals. He was clear about his goal, freedom for his country. So Bose believed that all people have one aim to success in their life. You should be determined. You should be boldly that one. I have to do that work. So what his goal was, his aim was freedom for his country, to give freedom from British to India people to country. That is his main target or aim. Next paragraph. Once a big rally was organized in Singapore by the supporters of Bose to welcome him. Many garlands were put around his neck. Bose humbly thanked everyone and then announced that he would like to auction the garlands that had been put around his neck and use the money to build the Indian National Army. Many people started bidding for the garlands and a huge amount of money was soon collected. The women present offered their valuable and gold ornaments. In the crowd, a young man from Banaras was also present. Bose was his idol, and he wanted to bid for a garland, but the money being offered was much more than what he had. However, he gathered courage and walked up to Bose and said, I want to be a part of the freedom struggle. I do not have a lot of money, but it will be a proud moment for me if you give me one of your garlands. So that now I've explained that paragraph, children. Once a big rally means that people will gather there in Singapore about supporters of Subhash Chandra, those who are likes to Subhash Chandra, these people. So many garlands were put around his neck. Many people came to give the garlands to his neck. Bose humbly was happily thanks to everyone and announced he would be like to auction the garlands that had been put around his neck. So he wanted to give the auction. Auction means that is another one name is in Hindi Nilam. They have to call the value of that money and who will give the more, the, that one give to sell for that person. Indian in that. So announced to be like the auction garlands that had been put around his neck money and to build the Indian National Army, and he wants to make and the party Indian National Army. Many people started bidding for the garlands and a huge amount of money was soon collected. So almost many people are bidding, they're giving their money, they are supporting that garlands have to sell, and as soon as collected more money, the women present offered their valuable and gold ornaments. Even women also they are ready to give their ornaments. Now many people started bidding. Okay, the woman present in the crowd, a young man suddenly from Banaras, that one people he was offered to take that garland, but he doesn't have that much money. So he went to Subhash and asked, I want to join with you. I am very good supporter for you, but I don't have that much money to take that garlands. So that happily Subhash Chandra Bose was given one of the garlands to his that person. Next on the page, children. Page number 46. Bose was moved by the young man's patriotism and gave a garland to him with great love. So, with lovingly, he was giving one garland to that man. Subhash Chandra Bose collected donations from India throughout Asia. Once a small flower vase was presented to him. He announced that he wanted to sell it for 25 lakhs, such as 25,000. Such was the love of the people for him that the first offer was 51,000. So, like that, only one time someone has donated to him a flower vase with present, but he announced he wants to sell that flower vase with 25,000 rupees. But such in that people, someone wanted to offer it in 51,000 rupees. That much love and affection he got from the people. On August 18, 1945, Bose died in a plane crash. His spirit still lives through his words, Jai Hind. He also coined the famous slogan, You give me blood, I will give, and I will give you freedom. So, August 18, 1945, Bose was died in plane crash. His spirit still now will can remember to him the words Jai Hind. And he also coined famous slogan. He has one famous slogan. You give me blood, I will give the freedom. So you India people will give the blood to him to fight about the British, and he will give the freedom to India people. So after that, children, down new words are there. You have to learn that new words properly. Other exam soon, very soon in FA2 exam. Sincerely read the lesson as well as the new words also. And underline words I have given, that one also practice with them. Okay. So bye, children.